So, these G40 elements peddling these falsehoods and narratives about Zimbabwe, and we know where they are. We have been reluctant, but now, we have an extradition treaty between Zimbabwe and South Africa. Now I'm going to give instructions to invoke that treaty so we can extradite these elements to face the law in Zimbabwe. In America, no American will speak and act against America and survive. In Zimbabwe, they've been surviving, but the law is there to make them accountable, and the law, we understand it. Fortunately, I'm a lawyer. Then we have local NGOs. I want to make it clear that each NGO in this country, when they get registered on the basis of agreed area of participation. They are given a mandate for a particular area of activity. But those who are going to be found acting outside their mandate as NGOs, non-governmental organizations, we shall call them to account. Ndauya kuno ndafara zvokuteki. I can see the resurgence of ZANU-PF zvaitagwa na Minister of State zvamuri kuronga kuno kuti muite. I'm so pleased that you are focused. But all that to succeed, you need the party. I'm aware through security about many people now joining ZANU-PF across the country. It is quite visible. Kubva Women's League, the Youth League, my own veterans, very busy mobilizing. I'm very proud about what they are doing. I see, Twitter observe, constitution here is ZANU-PF, my regulations here is ZANU-PF, my values here is ZANU-PF, my traditions here is ZANU-PF. Zimbabwe is a republic. Zimbabwe is a republic. Pane vakanga voda kuta toda kumutsidzira king kumaTebeleland. That aiwa, you cannot have a kingdom in a republic. That's how Kuchizi, the kingdom of Lesotho, the kingdom of Eswatini, they are not republics, they are kingdoms. Zimbabwe is a republic. They cannot be a king. They can only be chiefs, senior and junior, different levels, but they are chiefs. I got a letter on Wednesday from the grandson of King Lubengula.